Hello everyone, welcome to Foodtechfacts. So here we are going to discuss some CFSO or Technical Officer examination questions and answers related to carbohydrates. So here comes the first question. Carbohydrates are chemically defined as. Options are amino acids, polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones, fatty acid esters and nitrogenous compounds. So the answer is polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. Option B is the right answer. So next question. The empirical formula commonly associated with carbohydrates is. So here are the options: CHO, CnH2O n times, NH2COOH and CH4. So the right answer is CnH2O n times. Third question. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? Among the options maltose, lactose, glucose and starch, which one is the right answer? It's C. Option C, glucose. Fourth question. Fructose is classified as a. Options aldose, ketose, disaccharide and polysaccharide. So the right answer is ketose. Fifth question. Which carbohydrate is known as blood sugar? Options are fructose, sucrose, glucose and lactose. So among this, the right answer is glucose. Option C, glucose. Sixth question. The sweetest naturally occurring sugar is. Options glucose, maltose, fructose, lactose. It's fructose. Option C, fructose. Seventh question. Which sugar is present in milk? Options maltose, lactose, sucrose and fructose. The right answer is option B, lactose. Eighth question. Sucrose is composed of. Options are glucose plus fructose, glucose plus galactose, glucose plus glucose and fructose plus galactose. So the right answer is option A, glucose plus fructose. Ninth question. Maltose consists of. Options are fructose plus glucose, galactose plus glucose, glucose plus glucose and fructose plus fructose. The right answer is glucose plus glucose. 10. Which enzyme hydrolyzes starch? Options are pepsin, lipase, amylase, trypsin. So the right answer is option C, amylase. 11th question. Glycogen is mainly stored in. Options are bone, liver and muscles, kidney, pancreas. So the right answer is option B, liver and muscles. 12th question. The storage polysaccharide in plants is. Options glycogen, cellulose, starch and chitin. The right answer is option C, starch. Cellulose is composed of. Is the next question. Here are the options: beta D glucose units, alpha D fructose units, amino acids, fatty acids. So among this, the right answer is beta D glucose units. Question number 14. Humans cannot digest cellulose because they lack amylase, maltase, cellulase, lactase are the options. So the right answer is option C, cellulase. 15th question. Which test is commonly used to detect reducing sugars? Options are Biuret test, Benedict test, Millen test, Xanthoprotic test. So the right answer is Benedict test. 16th question. Blue-black color with iodine indicate presence of. Options protein, lipid, starch and glucose. Right answer is starch. Option C, starch. 17th question. Which carbohydrate is non-reducing? Options are maltose, lactose, sucrose, glucose. So among this, the non-reducing sugar is none other than option C, sucrose. 18th question. Dietary fiber mainly consists of. Options are proteins, vitamins, indigestible carbohydrates and minerals. So the right answer is option C, indigestible carbohydrates. 19th question. Which polysaccharide provides structural support in plants? Options are glycogen, starch, cellulose and dextran. So the right answer is cellulose. Hydrolysis of starch produces is the 20th question. So the options are here amino acids, fatty acids, glucose and glycerol. So hydrolysis of starch produces glucose. Option C, glucose is the right answer. 21st question. The glycosidic bond in maltose is. Options are alpha 1,4, option B beta 1,4, option C alpha 1,6, option D beta 1,6. So the right answer is option A, alpha 1,4. Lactose intolerance is due to the deficiency of. It's the 22nd question. Options are maltase, lactase, sucrase and amylase. So lactose intolerance is due to the deficiency of option B, lactase enzyme. 23rd question. Which carbohydrate is found abundantly in sugarcane? Options are lactose, sucrose, maltose and galactose. So the right answer is option B, sucrose. 24th question. Which polysaccharide is highly branched? Options are amylose, cellulose, glycogen, inulin. So among this, the right answer is option C, glycogen. 25th question is, the process of breakdown of glucose to pyruvate is called. The options are glycogenesis, glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, glycogenolysis. So the right answer is glycolysis. So here are the 25 questions. If you guys want more such questions and answers of CFSO or TO examination, please follow my channel, subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.